Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question in today's video, and we have x cubed plus x squared equals to 36, and we need to figure out the value of the x. So first of all, we're going to subtract both sides of this equation by 36. So we will have x cubed plus x squared minus 36 equals to 0. And so we have 36 in here that can be a hint for us. And if we can do 36 as a number that has the addition of two numbers with the exponents of 3 and 2, that way we can play with this side of the equation, and we will get more room to play with the equations. And if we do that, we'll see that 36 will be 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 squared. So 3 cubed is 27 and 3 squared is 9. And that's going to give us 36. And basically in here we will have x cubed minus 3 cubed plus x squared minus 3 squared equals 0. And these two expressions are familiar for us. We have the difference of the squares, where we have a squared minus b squared, which will be a minus b times a plus b, and we have a cubed minus b cubed, which will be a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we're going to use these two in here, and from the first one, x squared minus x cubed minus 3 cubed, we'll have x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9. And in the second one, the difference of the squares, we will have x minus 3 times x plus 3 equals 0. And we have x minus 3 in here as a common factor, so we can factor x minus 3 in here. From the first one, we will have x squared plus 3x plus 9, and we'll have x plus 3 from the second expression equals 0. And now we have a times b equals 0, which means a can be 0 and b can be 0 as well. So if we do our a equals 0, we will have x minus 3 equals 0, therefore our x will be 3, so one answer is 3. And in the second part, we have the x squared plus 3x plus x, which is 4x, and we will have 9 plus 3, which is 12, equals 0. And we have a quadratic equation where our a is 1, our b is 4, and our c is 12. So if you want to find the x, we will have minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we'll have minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 6b squared, which is 16, minus 4 times our a is 1 and c is 12 divided by 2. So we can see that we have a negative number. Our discriminant is negative number, which means we have complex answer. So we'll have minus 16 minus 48, it will be minus 32 divided by 2, or minus 4 plus or minus 32i squared divided by 2. And our x, so we'll have 2x, one of them will be minus 4 plus or minus I. And for 32, we can do 16 times 2 divided by 2, or minus 4 plus or minus I. We can take out the 16 for square root of 2 divided by 2. So in here, our x will be minus 2 plus or minus 2i square root of 2. So we will have 2 more answers in here too, and we'll have 3 answers in total, and that would be the final answer for this question. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any other ways to solve this question. I'd be happy to discuss it with you guys in the comment section. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.